Hey, kindleunlimtied.com here. Welcome to the top 5 LED headlight bulbs or LED headlight kits that money can buy, and judged by the Amazon best sellers, which, as always, guys, we will have links in the description below to the best LED headlight brands that money can buy. This video is actually sponsored by the brand Hikari, or Hikari, however you want to pronounce it, which actually have a lot of market penetration, and even though we're sponsored by them, we are not biased over here. They are not the #1 top-selling brand, at least at the time of this recording. And we're going to be getting into why that is in this video. And also, I want this video to be more of a dialogue than me just talking into a camera. So I would like to hear from all of you auto enthusiasts out there what you actually use for your LED headlights in your car, truck, boat, SUV, whatever. I'd like to know that because I'm just one guy. I think you guys have more valuable opinions, or as valuable opinions as me, and I would like to know what you guys actually use. So why is Fairen, Sealight, Cougar, Hikari, and what's the 5th one? Auxbeam coming up as far as sales volume is concerned in Amazon, which we will have links in the description below. I don't think people would just go out and buy things in scale if they're not making good product. And one fun fact, I actually counted off because I controlled F'd the brand name Hikari. They had 13 out of the 50 results for best sellers in the headlight and taillight conversion kit category, which was interesting to me to see that they had, what is that, almost 33% market penetration in that category for top sellers. That's pretty crazy for one brand. However, what I will say is that Fairen, or F-A-H-R-E-N, they have 1, 2, 3, 4 in the top 10. And then Cougar actually has 3 in the top 10. And then Auxbeam had, what, 1? I think they had like 7 overall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 5 or 6. Anyway, point being, their names, the same names are coming up across the board. Sealight's there too. I've seen a couple Sealights around. So I'm going to open one listing for each to keep this consistent. And then I am going to give one shout out to Hikari while I'm pulling all of these open. But I am actually going to be having a detailed review on both of those if you want to watch the videos for those. But I'm going to pull up a listing for each. Also, fun note, a lot of the top selling ones are actually in like the $30 to $40 category, mainly the $40 category. So I think I got one of each, right? We got Fairen, Sealight, Cougar, Hikari, and Auxbeam. So I'm going to read their listings, and then you guys let me know what you think you're going to buy. I would like to hear in the links in the description below. You're going to do your own research anyway. Regardless of what brand you buy, it doesn't make a difference to me. I just want to know the facts of why people are choosing what they're doing. Also, let's read off the reviews before I just start talking to this. Fairen, at the time of this recording, by the way, for all of these at the time of this recording, coming in, 1,803 customer reviews, 4.5 stars. Sealight's coming in, 2,608 customer reviews, 4.5 stars. The Cougar's coming in, 3,427 customer reviews. And a couple of these are actually Amazon choice, by the way. You getting this, camera guy? 3,427 customer reviews at 4.5 stars. The Hikari's coming in, 1,508 customer reviews, 4.5 stars. And the Auxbeam, 3,107 reviews at 4 stars. And that does not necessarily correspond to sales volume on the reviews, but they're all coming up within the top 10 or 15, I believe, from that search result. Yeah, top 15. So that is the listings. Bear with me here. Gotta get some drink. Talking a while for you guys. So all these light brands, you know, they're all boasting about their beam quality and the lumens and da-da-da-da-da. It's all almost the same thing. No dark spots, superior passive cooling. Most of them have a fan inside of them. They claim to have extremely long lives as far as their LEDs are concerned. Hikari likes to push their adjustable beam. Cougar and Fairen like to push that they have an IP68 rating on their, or just, do they claim to be IP68? Hold on a second. I want to see that on the Cougar. They got a little water dipping thing, but I don't see the IP68, so I don't want to make a false claim for Cougar. If you guys are into Cougars, let me know if you guys are into Cougar. I don't know. Okay, they got IP67. But the Fairen said IP68. At least that's what they're claiming on that model. And they're mini. They have a nice design with this. I must say, the Fairen's got a pretty cool design that is unlike the other brands. You can just see that from a surface level. Like, they kind of look like... links are in the description below, by the way, guys. See how it's kind of like got like this fan design? They all have a kind of a rubber gasket on them. I guess to seal out dust and maybe even water. But I just thought I would mention that. Now, what I was going to say... Let me get these out of here. No more Hikari. No more Hikari plugging. I want to keep this unbiased. Let me grab this really quick. Yeah, so, you know, they're saying they can fit 98% of vehicles. What is that? 50,000 hour lifespan for the Fairens is what they're claiming. Different lumens on each brand, but you get the idea. They all have crazy fans and da-da-da. The one thing about the Hikaris, though, is they said they have an adjustable beam. They really like to push the adjustable beam thing. I don't think they're IP68 rated, but I'll look just to be safe. If they are, they're really not pushing it that much. But I will say the Hikari thing, they like to push the adjustable beam thing. And then the aux beam, I haven't really looked into aux beam that much, but I'm going to give them a good shout out while I'm here. Two-sided bulb. Get the idea. They all have plugs. I'm sure they all have instruction manuals, that type of thing. I will open the Hikari just so I do open a bulb for this video. But I'm sure this is probably roughly the same for any brand. They give you a good instruction manual. The Hikari, though, I have to give them a little bit because they did send me one. But I will say the manual on these are pretty... they're pretty thorough on how to install this. It's got a lot of FAQs. Like, it's an actual manual. It's not like a game manual where it's like one page. They give you installation steps, how to plug it in, why bulbs fail, FAQs, troubleshooting. And then the design is pretty nice, too. This is all appears to be metal. I'm going to be doing an unboxing on this. I'm not unboxing it in this video, but you get the idea. It's got an adjustable beam. They got plugs, like all the other brands. It's a headlight. What more can I say, right? Come on, get real. But that's pretty much it. Let me smooth that out of the way. And that's my top 5 brand picks. I mean, there's not much else to say about these. You guys are going to buy whatever you want to buy, depending on what bulb type you need. And that's pretty much it. Hikari is up there as far as top performing and top selling brands. They're up there with Fairen. And just for giggles, let me see how many Fairen has as far as results. They got 1, 2. Oh, wait, hold on, wait. FAH. Give me a second. 1, 2, 3. Wait, is that it? 3? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10% market penetration out of the 50. 5 out of 50. All right, I'm going to leave on that note. You guys make the decisions for yourself. Links will be in the description below. I am open to your comments, feedback, whatever you guys want to say. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell. Let freedom ring. And do not miss another review, unboxing, and other top 5 or top 10 best-selling videos over here at kindleunlimtied.com, your place for everything automotive. And on that note, kindleunlimtied.com is out. Peace.